Hello, fellow maker. Welcome to Spokane, Washington. I'm here with Eric from Cyan Worlds.
Hey.
Creative director.
Yeah, that's right.
We're here for the Riven remake, the launching of the new version of Riven. We made a dagger a while back. You probably saw that. We delivered it.
It's awesome.
Thank you very much. We're really excited to add it to the cacophony of artifacts that you have here.
Oh yeah, we got a whole basement full of
You do have a whole basement, and that's why we're filming this video. We're gonna go take a look at some of the original artifacts from Myst and Riven, including the original Myst Book.
Right.
And I'm kind of freaking out about it. I'm really excited. I even brought mine that we made so that they can meet.
Compare?
Yeah, compare, contrast, but really, I just want them to be friends.
They'll be fast friends.
So why don't we head down to the vault and take a look at some of the original props.
Let's go.
Yeah. We're next to the vault, actually.
We're vault adjacent.
It's right there.
Yes.
This place is incredible. One of the things that I love about Riven and Myst especially is that there were actual physical artifacts made for a video game, which
absolutely, yeah.
doesn't happen, especially not anymore. And this place is full of them.
Yes.
So there's costumes everywhere. There's one like right there. There's a few there. There's a few more upstairs. And then, of course, all of these cool hand props, which, as you may guess,
you might recognize a few of them.
We recognize them, and it gets us really excited. So why don't we start over here with this weird, wacky thing.
This is Gen's pipe from the original Riven. This is the physical prop that John Keston would have carried around on set and pretended to smoke from and all that. We've got a digital version of it in the new one.
This looks like someone handmade it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Do you have any idea who made it?
I know a lot of these props were made by the Seattle Opera House.
Okay,
the
cool.
costumery was. I can't say for certain if every prop was, but there goes his. Dear. Oh no, his frog juice fell out. I believe that's supposed to be a fire marble.
This thing is great.
Make it burn.
I might have to 3D scan this.
Oh yeah, totally, absolutely.
Really cool. So that's spectacular. The pipe. And then this is someone's goggles.
Yeah, I can't say the fans are going to excoriate me for this, but like, I'm not sure if these are Atris's goggles or Gen's goggles, but
they'll let us know.
Yeah, they'll let us know in the comments. But this is one of the actual sets of goggles used for the live action filming.
Yeah, and in great shape too. That's
these have been carefully protected over the years, like they're sacred. So,
and then of course the books, obviously. One of the main themes of the whole series, and you've got a bunch of them. Let's start with this pile of burned books. It's got to be kind of fun to say, we need old-looking books, and we got to just burn them. Yeah. So I wonder who got to do that.
I don't know the origin of the books. That was I've been here a long time, but these were before my time even. And in Myst, there's a whole bookshelf full of burned books. If you look at the ends, they look like something right out of the game. If you look at the spines, you realize that they're just like weird old novels and stuff. Yeah.
So cool. So you got a bunch. There's even more in there. More burned books. And I just love that someone's job one day was to go torch a bunch of books and then immortalized.
Absolutely.
So those are just some burned books. This one, which I'm also going to 3D scan.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I think this is the linking book. I think it says in the linking book that Atris brings at the end of Riven.
Yeah. So that is legit. So someone added, I imagine, these graphics with the
corner protectors, which are fake, so they didn't protect anything.
Yeah, of course. And even on the back too. So that's really cool. But of course, the coolest one is right here, and this just blows my mind that I'm handling this. This is the original Myst book, and it looks like it's seen better days.
Yeah, it's a little worse for wear.
But this is it. This is the one. Now I'm excited because we made one, and I brought it. It's right here. So these are Harper's Magazine books from the late 1800s. This one, ours is 1883, I believe, and I think this one is 1870.
Oh, I'm going to open it.
I know. What does it say in there? 1877.
76 to 77.
To 77. There you go. So when people make their own Myst replicas like we did, you go and buy one of these. It even says like Harper's on the spine right there, and then we used acetone to remove that.
This one's missing that
piece
entirely.
It's missing that part. Yeah, it's wild. Oh, this is volume 68 on it. I wonder
you can't just go on eBay and order your own original Myst book, you're telling me?
You do have to do a little bit of work. Volume 54, yeah. So this one's a little bit older. And when we were looking to get one, this date range turns out harder to get for some reason.
But it's funny, if you look at the spine, you can see the detailing is identical, the little gold stripes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I never imagined when I played Myst in 1993 that I would be here holding the actual book. And I love that a prop was made for it for a video game. That is so cool. This place is magical. We could go on and on and on. I'll just grab a couple things right here. So some stuff was made for the game after the fact.
Yep, these were museum replicas, I believe. Yeah. Made a whole series of props from the game that consumers could buy for way less money than you would think.
Sure. And I'm sure if you scour the internet, you can probably find one for yourself.
They're a little more expensive now, but yeah, everything on here works. If you want to hold the barrel, I believe you were doing this earlier. How'd you do it? There you go. The breech works, and the little thing turns, and the spring goes, and
There's that guy, and then there's this weird, wacky sickle-looking thing.
Yep, the Moiety Rebel sickle. Yeah.
Very heavy. It's solid metal. And this was another one from Museum Replicas, I think.
Yeah.
So again, this is one you might be able to find one on the internet if you really scour.
And they're legit. Like that's leather wrapping.
Yeah, leather wrapped, steel. If you got one of these when they came out back then you're probably going to hang on.
We have tons of amazing fans that show us their collections and stuff. The people who have the originals in their collection, it is like a crowning jewel. Yeah,
you got real wood and everything right there. Yep. That is so cool. Well, Eric, thank you so much for showing us around here. This place is inspiring and amazing. I hope you all appreciated getting to check out some of these relics from some of our very favorite video games. And we are, of course, happy to have added our dagger to the...
We're proud to add it to the collection.
Yeah, to the legacy. Awesome. Well, that'll wrap it up for us. A quick, fun tour video here at Cyan Worlds. A truly magical place. That'll do it from us. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the members of our Extra Credit Club for supporting what we do. We'll have a link down below where you can join and get access to our videos early. That'll do it from us. Spokane, Washington. Happy crafting, everyone.